Intract has a feature in which you can take attendance for all the classrooms of the institution and for all the subjects. To do so, click on the attendance feature on the Intract app and then select the classroom you want to take the attendance for. Now you will have to select the subject you want to take attendance. It will show you the list of all the students in the classroom. If a student is absent, select the circle beside the already selected circle. It will mark the student as absent. After you take everyone's attendance, click on the submit button and proceed. It will mark the attendance for the particular subject on a particular day. You can also view attendance. Click on the view attendance button beside the take attendance button and then select the subject you want to view attendance for. You can view attendance records between two dates. To do so, click on the date button and select the two dates you want to view attendance record for. It will show you the record between those two dates. You can view, edit any previous attendance record as well. To do so, click on the history button and you can see attendance for all the subjects of a particular classroom. If you want to edit any attendance, just select the attendance and it will show you a list of students again. Edit the attendance and then click on submit and proceed. It will make the necessary changes and submit the attendance record for the particular date. You can do this for previous records as well. Thank you.